Hi, my name is Dr. David Lee, and today we're going to be talking about ice versus heat. When do I use ice? When do I use heat? All right, so typically with ice, we want to use it in the first 72 hours of an injury, or if we re-aggravate an injury. So in the first 72 hours, our body produces a lot of inflammation, swelling, have a lot of pain involved as well too. So the ice is going to help with dulling the pain. It's also going to help with decreased blood flow to the area, so it reduces your swelling. All right, so you can go ahead and use an ice pack here. This also serves as a heating pad if you put it in the microwave as well too. So really great for both of those purposes. All right, so next, why should I use heat? Well, typically with heat, what happens is that our muscles relax more with heat. It increases the blood flow. So you definitely don't want to use heat when you first injure your body because you're going to be producing a lot more swelling in the area. So if you have a chronic back injury, heat is going to be great for that. And what I recommend is moist heat. So with this heating pad, it actually has a pad right here, a little cloth that you can actually keep the heat moist. So your body responds to moist heat a lot better than dry heat. So you want to make sure that you're using the moist heat to get a better response. Okay. So we don't want to, with timing, you don't want to put the ice on for too long because then you can get frostbite. So I recommend anywhere from about 10 to 15 minutes on the hour, and you can do that every hour if you want to. Also, with same thing with the heat is you don't want to put it on there for too long, then you can burn yourself. So you don't want to keep it on there for too long. So same thing, about 10 to 15 minutes out of every hour.